the last bit of skimming.
Finally.
You've been dreading this, haven't you? You wanted it. I would have just done with a TV stand. This is Steve and his fancy pants brain.
Should scrape this.
What?
That's your job, boss.
To scrape it?
Skim all over it still. From when seedlings been skimmed.
Well, I didn't know you wanted me to skim this, scrape this. Yeah, done. Easy as that. Whinge bag. There were nothing to it. If it's a shit job, it's because of you. The first coat is going off really fast with us because we've left the plasterboard for so long. What happens to it?
I don't know. You know whether it like sucks in moisture or in the air or... We had the same with that seedling, didn't we?
Yeah, with all of it. So if you're gonna skim, make sure that you're not far off skimming straight after you put the plasterboards on. Because we've had a few trouble with a few walls. That bottom bit's okay though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Steve's finished that. And what else got done while he were finishing that? The spotlights have gone on. We're just going to cover them with bags when it comes to painting. And the same in the bathroom.
Yeah, except this one, because this means you have to go into a junction box first. And then down to the dome like that.
Good, awesome. We're on a roll.
Oh, and this one. This one.
And the pendants have gone up as well.
Yeah, and all the light switches.
And more or less all the light switches.
Yeah, there's a couple that's not.
So second fix is underway. We're full of woodlouse. Steve said that woodlouse like decaying old houses, but we're far from that now, surely. So what we're doing now is we're going to go outside and do strawberry beds. We're bringing these two beds alongside the footpath to the gate, as long as this. Steve's taking his time picking the wood that he wants to use. Nothing? Just say yeah.
Come on, screwer. You screw.
Screw you. Oh, I'm not that stupid. Not good. Straight edge, innit? Come on now, Mr. Jones. Get it in. Bit more. Bit more. Is that good? That's perfect. Yeah. There for the corners. We didn't already know from the last time when we did the greenhouses, we did exactly the same thing.
Just go up to the outside, mark them there.
Oh yeah.
All side by side.
Yeah.
We've got loads there, we've got loads over there.
Yeah.
So he's burning them.
Yeah.
Do you want to mark them?
Yeah. Good idea. So these wooden pieces that we're using, they were posts that we found all around the bush edge. We got loads of them. So we're recycling and they look really nice. So we'll do that all the way around each one because we've got enough. Well, we didn't film all that because it started to get boring, but there's the finishing product. We're going to do exactly the same on this side. So we've got two beds, but it's going to both look like that. And now we're going to fill it. Cardboard, chippings, manure, and then tomorrow we're going to get compost and then put all our, what we have got of the strawberries in. There they are.
Well, we've got plenty of strawberries.
And there you have it. That's all we're going to fill it with that shit now. We're going to get some compost and we're going to layer the top with that. Steve's tired and he's looking forward to his really cheesy lasagna.
Yeah. Because
all we've had to eat today is a sandwich. Ham and coleslaw sandwich.
It's so good.
I'm only joking, it was nice.
I made it, look.
You did and I loved it. Strawberries are in. is this going to be, what you call it, a tunnel that you walk under, like a, not a veranda, what's it called?
Trellis.
Trellis, it's going to be a giant trellis, so we're having the Kiwi then throw over the trellis so it's the walk under fruit canal.
To show you this is a cut. I marked that, that's my template. Huh? Cut it. Fucking lovely. There it is. That's about like. Get that out. I don't know if you can see them. And then they all sit on. Nice and tight. Easy way of fixing them on.
Taking the chickens some leftover buffet food. Don't know if I told you before, but we're doctoring a chick's leg. She's got a split leg. Her name's Tiny Tina because she's so small. But we got a plaster. Is it too close?
Mm.
That's why she's called Tiny Tina. The others have grown so much. Steve ordered these batteries on eBay and they are not genuine.
Well, they were supposed to be genuine.
How long have you had them?
Well, this is brand new. This has only been used a couple of times.
2 weeks you've had them?
Yeah.
And they're already buggered.
Well, this has only been used once. So that's cooked. That's cooked. And this is cooked. So
Lucky you had a refund.
yeah.
Looking good, looking good. We've done the second strawberry bed. Same as the last, that's why I didn't film it, because you know what we did the first time round. And now we're putting the railings up on the fencing area.
For the veggie garden.
For the veggie garden, ready to put these slats on.
And also you've been cleaning around the edge. Let's show me your hard work.
Yeah, that's boring. So we've been clearing down here.
Trying to get the hedge back healthy.
As soon as we get the hedge back healthy, we can plant grass as well.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't. It's been.
I don't really want to grass it until we sorted the bushes out, really. We'll be walking on it. Do you think?
It hasn't been kept and looked after for so many years, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been
Left. I think he's dead.
And then all the brambles have killed it.
So we got rid of all the brambles to bring it back to life, hopefully, and we'll plant more new ones in between.
Yeah.
Because that's all stingy.
That is all stingy.
But I don't really want to cut that. It'll open it right out. So we run out of the little slats, the picket. We need another 40 to finish that. When we thought we had enough trees, we're going to bought 3 more peach trees. We got rid of all the brambles. There's no bushes here. Bushes are alongside the road there, so we haven't touched the bushes. But the brambles, we're getting rid of all the brambles because they were coming out, as you remember in the last video I told you. We've revealed a wall, a beautiful stone wall that goes all the way up. Beautiful! Working from dusk till dawn. Woohoo! Looking good, looking good. Hi! Oh, you just headbutt, silly cow. Oh, you look beautiful together. Father and son.
It must be a tractor thing. Oh, that's a nice one, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen one like that before. This is great.